In this lecture, we are going to discuss background of child rights approach. There is no way to thoroughly enumerate the various ways in which children around the world are economically exploited and physically mistreated. But the numbers are great and the suffering widespread. Behind the hideous imaginary of children beaten or sexually abused by parents, ravaged beyond this year by hard living and drug abuse on the street, maimed by landmines, are turned into killers by war, stricken with AIDS, are all the too common struggles against disease, hardship, and family or social traditions that compromise children's humanity or subject them to physically and emotionally suffering. While victims of injustice and poverty have always had trouble being heard, none have had more trouble historically than children. Whether exploited as child laborers or prostitutes drafted as young teenagers into armed forces, forced as young girls into a lonely life as a domestic workers, deprived of an education to work on the family farms, are denied adequate nutrition and health care. Children need help and protection from an adult world that perpetrates most of the abuse to them.